Hello everyone, what you're seeing now is the data overview page for construction projects. Next, I'll give you a detailed introduction. After entering the page, you can see the module name for construction projects at the top, and to its right, the number of ongoing projects is displayed. This helps us quickly get a grasp of the overall work status. In the middle section below, this row is the core data statistics area, which includes the total computation volume, the number of active alerts, and the total amount statistics. With these three indicators, we can quickly understand the current project's funding scale and risk situation. Scrolling down brings you to the Online Projects module. Each project is displayed in the form of a card. The information is presented in a more intuitive way. The budget and actual buttons allow you to further view the project's budget execution and actual comparison data. Click to view more details. On this page, we can see that it includes the total budget, actual cost, total amount, and current profit. Relevant operations can be performed below. You can print electronic reports here, allowing you to print detailed reports. You can view the printed reports here. Returning to this page, click to add actual costs. Here, you can enter the relevant information. This page is used to record supplier invoices and actual project expenditures, enabling refined cost management. First, let's go to the Invoice Details section. Here, you can select the required project and the corresponding project phase. You can also select the budget item. The system can automatically perform variance analysis and monitoring. Below are the invoice details, where you need to fill in the invoice number and invoice date. At the same time, select the corresponding supplier to ensure our financial data is complete and traceable. Scrolling down to the Product Details section, you can enter the product description and input the quantity. Framework and VAT amount are next, and further down is the payment status, where you can select the current payment status. At the same time, fill in the payment date. If we have any additional notes, we can enter the relevant information in the Remarks section and scroll up. Move to the right side of the page. This is the cost summary area, which will display the total amount entered in real time. At the same time, in the Quick Tips section, we can see the current system's budget warning rules. When costs exceed the budget by 10%, a warning is triggered. If it exceeds by 20%, an emergency alert is triggered. This helps managers control risks in a timely manner. After filling everything out, click Save Actual Cost to complete the entry. If you need to cancel, you can click Cancel. Returning to the main interface, we can see that in the upper right corner, you can create a new project or view all projects. Click New Project to fill in the relevant information, relevant names, locations, and so on. Click View All Projects to see specific information. On the new page, you can manage project-related details. On the right side, you can quickly create a new project by clicking New Project and entering relevant names, locations, dates, and so on. In the middle is the Core Data section, which includes the total number of projects, the number of projects in progress, and the number of completed projects. The fourth item is the status of completed projects. Scroll down to see more. This is the project list area. In the upper right corner, you can export or create a new project. The export function allows you to export and save the current project data, while New Project is used to add a new project. Moving to the lower left, we can see that here you can set the number of items displayed per page. In the search bar to the right, you can quickly find projects using the search box, which improves search efficiency. Below is the detailed project table, which includes information such as project code, project name, and so on. In the status column, we can clearly see the status. The current stage of the project, such as in progress or in planning. On the far right is the action area with buttons. Click the View button. To view the basic information here, click the Edit button to edit specific information here. Click the Settings button to make related configurations here. Clicking on View Budget allows us to accurately check the budget for each day. Clicking on Budget versus Actual Analysis provides a precise analysis of the differences between our budget and actuals, and so on. The last button is the Delete Project button. With these quick access buttons, we can efficiently complete the corresponding management tasks. Returning to the main interface again. Overall, this page is mainly used for data aggregation and quick monitoring. It helps managers keep track of project progress and risks in real time. That concludes the introduction to the construction project overview page.